There are over 100 billion Earth-like planets out there, but we only live on one. And if we're being honest, we really don't know much about it. Sure, we know what it's made of and where it came from, at least to a degree. But do we really know our planet like we think we do? Turns out there's a lot more to this big blue marble than meets the eye, especially when it comes to its name. In today's video, we'll be answering the extraordinary question, what's in a name? The untold story of Earth's origins. From soil to sphere. Did you know that our planet's name might have originated from something as simple as dirt? That's right. In Old English, the word earth initially carried the definition of ground, referring to the solid land beneath our feet. It wasn't until later that its meaning expanded to encompass the entirety of our planet. This linguistic evolution perfectly mirrors our own journey in understanding the world around us. Just as we once believed the earth to be flat and then expanded our understanding to recognize its spherical shape, our perception of the word earth evolved as well. The earth, a name with ancient roots. Long before Old English, the Proto-Germanic people had their own word for our planet, Edda. This term, believed to have been derived from an even older Indo-European root, carried the definition of ground or soil, similar to the Old English word from which our modern term evolved. The ancient Greeks had a different name for our planet, Gaia. This name, however, took on a life of its own, and in Greek mythology, Gaia represented not just the earth, but also the mother of all living things who gave us Earth. Despite the ancient origins of the name Earth, there is surprisingly little documentation on who exactly gave our planet this name. One theory suggests that the name Earth was bestowed upon our planet by the Anglo-Saxons, a Germanic people who migrated to Britain in the 5th century. Another theory posits that the name originated with the Celts, an ancient group of people who lived in Central and Northern Europe. Why is our planet called Earth? Now that we've explored the possible origins of the name Earth, let's delve into the fascinating linguistic journey this word has undertaken through various languages. In German, the word for earth is Erde, while in Dutch it's Aarde. These words, like our own English term, initially carried the definition of ground or dirt. As we move to Romance languages, we see a different set of words, tierra in Spanish and terra in Italian. These terms, derived from the Latin word terra, signify not just the ground, but also the concept of firm or solid. Interestingly, the Latin word terra also gave rise to the English word territory, highlighting the interconnectedness of language in our understanding of the world. As we continue our linguistic exploration, we encounter Dünya in Turkish and Ur in Turkish and Russian, both of which also signify the earth or ground. Each language adds its own unique flavor to the concept of earth, showcasing the beautiful diversity of our planet's names across cultures. So the next time you take a stroll outside and feel the earth beneath your feet, remember that the very name you call it by has a rich history and a deeper meaning than you might have ever imagined. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of language and culture. Until then, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the beauty of our planet and its names.